Pretty girl storm, I saw your bad. Come here, little pretty girl. Jiggle your body, you look good in that the migo girl. Hey, watching a man Esco the Shaka this from Jamaica representing for Pretty Girl Storm. Blood out there.
I'm son upon the house up at you. I see, hey, Miss Brown, baby, what's up? Him son upon the house stop still asleep. I'm going to take him off him chop on my life. You know, see a rainy month now. Tell the boy off of the house stop and I don't come on my life. Wow. Boy off of the house stop, man. And I him one class people, Batman and Chris. I him one class people, you know, forgot. My son a forgot, him from CJ a big forgot. My big forgot. Him now was a big 500. Him man a 16 and I come for live. And I come you want to come class people. So we had to put my life Batman. Me 8 one and I come for my life. Me 8 everyone on. One upon my life, man. Me to no man, not even. Yo boy, he might change picture and things, so I don't know him there. I'm a screech up because you find out him face your time pussy down. Whoa, crosses. Hey, Nicolette, I want it for my life.
I'm so long.
Man, them crosses there. Can't wait. The little Batman. The last time I tell him, say, oh, I mean record the live, I mean scream the live and send it to mommy for sure. So the people are in the face in my life. How careless them is my 60 mama 600-year-old. And you know, record my life but they eat. Like bitch at like fuck like, are you serious? That can every fucking thing. Like seriously. Like you eat this bitch. And the woman turn on her life when I itch up over here, so I'm afraid, you know. I'm going to get somebody because I'm not piss, you know. When I play the whole family, when I play the whole family, when I mad people. I'm a psycho. The whole blood clot family, I'm sticking on her head. So then the day, I'm going to feed off of people energy if you make phone energy turn up. You know what I say? Like, are you serious? Like somebody say, the woman where you delete her before she delete you.
Yes.
If you don't have nothing to do with her, right? You know, like somebody, bro. The fuck you mean? And then big pussy. This boy with him pussy come like one time. You fuck cow and you rape cow and goat, and then pussy drop down like him mouth. You mean him and itch up on my blood clot like don't itch up on my like pussy. Suck your ugly mama. Suck your aged mama. Don't come upon me like Batman. Chris, don't famous. Chris Shitmouse. Don't come upon me blood clot like me not like you. Me, not like you. None of your family then. Me hate everybody. And normally me not hate people. Me not like who know. Who know one little zoo. To me, don't blood clot come upon my life, bro. See you come upon my life, you upset my blood clot, dear. Obstacle na my blood clot. You go take your son off of the house stop. When you come upon my life, a batty man. And then I come go out there from big dirty man living in your mama house. A big 60-year-old man. Say if you're 60 now, know it for yourself. And when you're 170, you have someone for yourself, hopeless man. But me sleep with my mother every night, she's shame. Because you don't have space to sleep, because your son of you sleep on the outside. That's how the sleeping arrangement is. Batty man. Don't come back for my life, batty boy. Suck your ugly aged woman. Don't come for my life, I don't like you. Pussy. Bumble, I don't like you. I don't watch you. Bitch, don't come for my life, bro. And why you suck my dog? Don't, hey, if I hold you in person, I tie you up and make my dog them rape you. And make you suck them good. You can give them a body wash and a pussy. Hey, pussy. Don't come back from my blood clot life. All that pussy, that rubbed boy, that crackhead, you know. You see all that crackhead boy, that little shit more and rub up with little blood clot, brown and green. Suck your ugly mama. Don't come for my life. Batty man. Bumble. I want your pussy. You come from my life like me and your friend, and I come wave. Come wave in your mama big thinking, salt pussy. Now wave to me pussy. Suck your mother.
I'm going for you. Chris is what that on.
Batty man, you hate the batty man. You see, when the life don't share. You hate the batty man, you see, man.
See, he's gay.
Yeah. I'm raping it to son and tell him a batty fish. You don't like somebody, what the fuck you had up on them? Talk true, brother.
Talk true.
Hey, Chev, what's up? Chev, you see you inbox me, Chev, on me. Pussy, you know, like me, we had up on the life, batty, man. Rochelle, one picture. Pussy, don't come back from my life, man. You don't like me, I got itch up on my life. I look at batty, man. I look at dirty blood clot, mildew, batty, man, when batty mildew. And sore because the Indian girl they brown him out of blood clot London and they rape him off and then go in and rape him off and then hold him in a house with beer jugs and suck beer out. Then deport him. They get dirty put out that girl. And then deport him. And then he go down and go rape off him blood clots. And batty man, don't come back from my life. Me not like you. Me not deal in a blood clot. They are court or suck your ugly mama. Your mama favor went for your turtle back when them tired. Don't come for me blood clot like. Batty man. I want you follow me up so. Pussy wolo, you follow me up so. Pussy. Big pussy boy. But you follow life so. Batty man. Strong bang buckler bang. Take your blood clot son off of the blood clot house car a rainy weather now. Move your workless blood clot and go. Hey boy, the way me eat when me eat all you go in night too. Hey, don't blood clot come back from my life and upset my blood clot man. Eat to no man. Don't blood clot come from my life, pussy. Suck your ugly aggy dog. Hey, eat 100 or no. Don't blood clot come boy ya wave. Wave na your mama big rockatang pam pussy. Bumba wall. Hey boy. Upset my blood clot man. I'm come out to show me nice summer body. It's blood clot crocking lizard. Come from nowhere crew. Hey pussy. Don't come back for my life. So, hey. If anybody on the spotty man named Christopher Faber, just tell me same day man. Bring down him, rock up and batty man, loose batty wall blood clot. Your batty wall, you can't go see now, your batty a bubble up like blood clot, what a bubble up. Hey boy, don't come back for my life. Pussy. Your man and you buy out woman argument, big pussy girl, and I come chat shit. Pussy, well, you can call me dirty, ugly boy. You can call me ugly. You can call me ugly, batty man. Don't come back from my life, batty boy. I don't like you. Suck on the mother. Pussy. You are going.
What's up, baby?
Batty man, I come from my not that thing. Batty boy, I come from my life. You know, like, weird from my life, pussy. Ugly boy. I mean, I feed on me on the energy.
Them dog shit they never learn.
Yeah.
Them dog shit they never learn.
Thinking, old man, don't come from me like Batty man. Me not like you. Me not like you. 8, 9, 10, 100 you know. We me eat when if you know spice, me drink it and kill me blood clot self. Don't come from my life, bro. Clot.
Them couldn't wait for you to know your life, sis.
Yeah.
Them I wonder which part of there.
Me do up a mansion.
Yeah.
Me there blood clot. Yeah, the dirty people. Don't blood. Don't. That's where me there. Batty man.
Mansion living.
Don't come.
Straight up.
Real estate over license plate.
Straight up.
No matter.
Yeah, straight up. Who beg?
You wall on each up in a one blood clot till you sleep with your mama that on a short a bed yes. You saw the pan the house top and look on the rain we fall. You not even go ever look on him and pick up sofa. You want to style people. You can style me. Hey. Fuddle me with blood clots, do batty man. Rumpel peeling skin blood clot white. What's your drop off? What breadfruit drop off? Blood clot dirty man. I come for my blood clot page. Batty man. Eat them man. The way me eat them sometimes me eat you too.